Okay, hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video is talking about how to spacing between each character in UILabel using Swift file in iOS application. And before we getting started, in this video is demo about UILabel extension. So you can download the extension below description. I put the link in my video description so you can download it and go through with my demo step. Okay, here is my extension code, which you can check it out my website to download it. Right here, so you can use the extension to spacing your character in your UILabel. Okay, now I will show you how to use it. For example, in this video, I'm using the UILabel right here and link it to my source code in here. So I will call it in my view load by using self dot name label dot value the function right here, spacing label. Okay, as you can see, let me run it. Okay, as you can see, the character in our UILabel is spacing right here. You can compare with this original text. Okay, actually you can put the value, the spacing into this function by using right here. Okay, for default is 3, but now I put a 20. Let's be and run this in USR again. Okay, as you can see, the spacing are so big, so you can put your own style and your own spacing value. Okay, thank you for watching, and you can check it out the extension in the video description that I put below. If you have a question, you can ask me. Comment below this video. Thank you. See you in the next video.